स्वागत है आप सभी का आज के इस वीडियो में। दोस्तों जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि मैं इस चैनल पे उन लोगों की कहानियाँ लाने वाला हूँ, जिन्होंने अपने जीवन में कुछ इंस्पायरिंग काम किया है। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हमारे साथ उपस्थित हैं नरेंद्र रेड्डी जी, जो कि आंध्र प्रदेश से हैं और इन्होंने अभी सीआरपीएफ में इनका सिलेक्शन हुआ है। तो ये अपनी जर्नी शेयर करेंगे, इनकी जर्नी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है, इंस्पिरेशनल है, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। तो वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। सो प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ ब्रो।
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to salute Mr. Arun Kumar because he is the first person, and those he given me the opportunity to attend this interview. So I am be grateful to you, bro, and I am very glad to you, and I am very satisfied with this interview.
I'm also very happy to see you here. As I have started this category very early, and you are the first person. So thank you so much for being here with me today.
Yeah, bro. I am also very equally grateful with you. So now, right now, I can introduce myself
Yeah,
first of all.
sure.
So my name is Narendra Reddy, and I am 24-year-old right now. So recently, and I will be posted as a CRPF Jawan, which means Central Reserve Police Force. So my joining letter was not received yet. So they will send me the joining letter, and I think my training will be starting on from March onwards. So let's see what's happening, and I'm very excited to serve our nation. That's my main purpose. So that's why, and I choose this job, and I'm very happy to get this job in my life. So, so actually, we have four members in our family: my parents and my father and my mother, and I have an younger brother. And so they are doing farm work, and my father was a farmer, and my mother was a housewife, and I have one younger brother, and as you said before, so he has also doing job nowadays, and actually for the past 1 week, and he was selected in Infosys company. So he was doing job work from home. So that's it.
So right now I have set up questions which I will ask you, and these questions are very important for those who are also going to appear for defense sector exams. Okay, and the journey which you are going through was really very inspirational. You got this reputed job as uh, a defense personnel, so it's very honorable for you, and I think it's really great thing. So now the question which I will ask you is, when did you decide that I have to get into defense exam, defense sector, and what was your motivation behind it?
Yeah, bro. Actually, the journey was started from 4 years ago. So it was a long, very, very long journey for me in my life. So actually, first of all, I will tell you why I can decide to get into the defense sector. First of all, I will tell you the main reason behind that. Actually, 4 years ago, and I was very inspired by a lot of movies, and which included armed forces movies. Especially, I would love to watch those movies in my life because those are the very very contentful and very very meaningful movies I had ever seen
Yeah,
in my life sometimes. And actually the main purpose behind those movies is we have to serve our nation. We have to
yeah,
serve our nation, and that is very very important. Actually, if you can observe closely nowadays, and most of the people can choose the very very different jobs like private sector and so many different jobs. Most of the people can think about salary and allowances and etc. But long time ago, and I thought about that. Actually, we have to serve our nation, and actually we take it as a responsibility. And actually, if we can take it as a responsibility for our parents, and doing to service our nation is also very very important. So we have to realize this in our lives. So long time ago, and I was very inspired, and I have watched a lot of movies in my life, and which included armed forces movies like BSF, CRPF, CASF, and Army, Navy, Air Force, and I would love to watch such kind of movies in my life. So long time ago, and I was very inspired by watching those movies. those movies in my life. That time I decided to become a soldier in my life. So my journey was started from there. So actually, some of the people they can think about that. Actually, they can duplicate the scenes. Most of the people they can't able to achieve in real life those things. Those are very hard, and actually it's not the small thing. If you want to serve the society, if you want to serve the nation, sometimes, and you need to sacrifice your life also. So no one can ready to serve this nation on this earth. Some of the people they will think negatively, but I don't want to accept that, because I will take it as a responsibility. So that's why that is the main purpose, and that is why I want to become a soldier in my life. That's my main purpose and main motto.
Yeah, really, you have a strong purpose, a good purpose to serve your nation. Actually, this is one of the best things which we can do with our life. So now the next question is, uh, tell us about your journey. How did you started? How did you manage deal with all this advice which you were getting in your journey?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Actually, I will tell you why I can and how I can achieve this feat. First of all, without my parents' consent and permission, I can't say this sentence again and again, because I am not going to tell you, and only I can hard work to achieve this stage. I am not going to tell you that, but my parents are worked very hard to achieve this feat in my life also. Actually, long time ago, for the past 20 years, and actually they stayed at home only, and they are doing one and only farm work. So we have some buffaloes in our home also. So actually they worked very hard for 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. I met them, and one fine day they picked me up to the farm, and that time, and actually I was doing some farm work there. So I was sweating, and throughout my whole body. So that time, and after I came to my home, I realized the value of hard work. So that time I can decided to do that. Actually, I have to do something to my parents, and which is very important for me, because they are worked very hard for me. So we have to take that responsibility. So that time, and I can decide it. First of all, I have to stand out. I have to stand out with my own feet. So that time I can decided myself to achieve something in my life. So thereafter, and actually, if I can say deeply that, and that's my 4 years, the toughest journey of my life, because I faced a lot of difficulties and setbacks and failures, and actually I faced those all things throughout my whole journey, for the 4 years of my journey. And sometimes, and I feel like quitting throughout my journey also, because sometimes actually long time ago, and I have the deep and burning desire in my life. Whatever it may happens in my life, I will definitely become a soldier in my life, because as you said before, and one of my life purpose is to serve our nation, because I will take it as a responsibility. And I would love to tell you one thing again and again. And actually, I am not at all those persons, and those who are living the present society. I am a very different person apart from that, because I would love to live in a very responsible way. So I would love to live in that way. So I thought about that, and sometimes I feel like quitting, because so many times, and I participated in the army selections, and each and every time, and I fallen down in the running, so running test, and each and every time almost 4 or 5 times, and I failed in the running test. And most of the people will criticize me, they are commented me, but actually, and I never thought about that, because actually I will tell you the right now, I will tell you the one of the famous quotation. And actually it doesn't matter, and how many people are talking about that, and it's a matter only what are you thinking about that. So that's
yeah,
the matter only. So yeah, so I am very inspired by that quotation. So that time I will be decided myself, and actually it doesn't matter how many people can thought about me. So what are you what are me talking about me, and that's the matter only. So that time I decided about that, and actually, if you can work hard, definitely you attain the greater heights one day. So I strongly believe that, and I can deeply believe that, and in my mind. So I worked very hard to achieve that fit, and actually, and my parents and my brother also, and they are very motivate me, and sometimes, and they work very hard for me. So that time I will decide about that. And sometimes I lose hope also throughout my whole journey. Sometimes I lose my hope, and again, and I will be rejuvenated, and with going to the selections again. So so some of the lot of things will happen, and throughout my journey also. So but I never lose my hope. I never lose my hope, and actually, whatever the difficulties and setbacks and failures will happen in my throughout my journey, and I never lose hope. And actually, uh, that time I have a single-minded devotion only, and whatever it may happens, and I will definitely become a soldier in one day. And so that's it. That those are all the things, and which happens throughout my whole journey.
So, as we all know, cracking any government exam is very difficult nowadays. So, what do you think? What is the most important things to crack any government exam in defense sector?
Yeah, bro. That's the smart question. Most of the people they are very excited to know the answer about that question, and I have experienced a lot of people in my life also. Actually, if I can talk about that question, and we have to do one thing regarding to that question. Actually, first of all, we have to decide what we wanted to become in our lives, because most of the people they can actually they lose their inner voice. So we have to we never forget our inner voice. So actually what I am trying to say is that, and first of all, we have to fix our target, because for example, if you want to go to one place from another place, first of all you have to do first of all you have to decide, and what can I take for the journey, bus or car, and cab, or how can I book there. So you have to do the particular plan. So first of all, and we have to do that, and we have to go in that way, and that is very important, and in our whole journey. So first of all we have to decide what we wanted to become in our lives. And I would like to tell you the one thing again and again. Most of the people, and actually, if they can fix the target, and if you actually whatever you want to go through in your life, and there is nothing wrong about that, because actually we have to do anything in our lives, because that is our birthright. And so that is very important in our lives, and we have to realize that. And thereafter, and once if we can fix our target, and thereafter we have to make the very particular plan. And that is very important, because I have observed a lot of people throughout my whole journey. And some of the people, and they will quit from their journey because of some hard work and some hurdles. And I have experienced a lot of people. So we have to be the very desirous person, and that is very important. And most of the people they can quit, and because of their hard work, some people they can work hard, and even though they can't get the satisfaction because of their hard work. This is very hard. If I can go to the running in the selections, and that is very hard work for me. I have to do lots and lot of hard work. And actually, even though some people, and they are going to criticize that in that way. And actually I have participated in the lot of selections, and like 3 or 4 selections, even though I can't get the job. So this is a waste job, and I can't get the job, this is my fate. And some people they are saying like that, but I don't want to believe that. A long time ago, and I think recently 1 year ago, and I have successfully completed to read that one book, and Think and Grow Rich. Actually in that book, the writer Napoleon Hill was going to say us one thing. Actually, whatever you want to go through in your life, first of all, desire is very important, because desire is the starting point of all achievement. So we have to keep our desire very strong. If you if you can be the desirous person, and that time you will definitely get the stage what you wanted to be. So
Yeah,
that is what I am trying to say.
yeah. Clear goal, strategy, and desire. These are three things which are very important to clear government exam, not only I think defense exam only. Yeah, these are three things which
Yeah,
are
yeah,
very
bro,
important.
absolutely, you are absolutely right.